Hey everyone, this video will show you how to set up your IOT-S500 series sensor. First, you need to download the app Toolbox from Google Play or App Store. This will allow you to connect with your sensor. To check the status of your sensor, turn on your cell phone NFC and then place your phone on the NFC area of the sensor. One of the biggest advantages using our cloud platform is that you can monitor your sensor remotely. You don't have to keep scanning it every time. If you are interested using our cloud platform, watch this part. If you are also using our LoRaWAN gateway, make sure to check out the IoT G65 quick setup guide beforehand. Go to remotemonitor.com, log in with your username and password, or create a new account. Click Sensors. Select LoRaWAN device. And then click New to add your sensor. Enter the name for your sensor. Choose OTAA as the type. Select equipment type. And then find your device EUR in the app Toolbox. Click Confirm to finish the setup. To see the data from your sensor, click Check. And that's all for setting up your IOT-S500 series sensor. Thanks for watching. Got any question? Leave a comment below or send us an email.